Hi guys, and welcome back to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to fix an error occurred while starting Roblox Studio. To start, open your File Explorer in your PC, then click on this PC. Now the next step is to head on over to your local disk C or where you installed Roblox. Then in here, you're going to click on the folder that says Program Files x86. In here, you will need to scroll down. And then you are going to be looking for Roblox. An easier way to find this is to use the search bar on the upper right. But if you're confident that you could locate Roblox, just look for the folder of Roblox. Then open it. In here, you will see a folder named Versions. Open it this time. Now look for Roblox Studio Launcher Beta. Right-click and then click on Run as Administrator. Now you should be able to run Roblox. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.